There are now YouTube channels that are getting millions of views without using any face cam or even their own voice. Look at this channel on the screen, channel name Majestic Studios. With only 88 videos, they have gained 212,000 subscribers. Their first video received 2.9 million views, the second video received 1.3 million views, and the third video received 1.1 million views. Almost every one of their videos has received thousands of views. If we look at their income details, you will be surprised. They are earning $5.7 thousand per month. Let's take a look at our second channel. Mike's POV History has uploaded only 15 videos and has already gained nearly 13,000 subscribers. If we look at the view counts on this channel, we can see that each video has received around 200,000, 500,000, and even more views. This channel is earning $900 per month. The main topic of their videos is ancient kings and emperors, wars, and mysterious historical events. They create short documentaries and earn thousands of dollars every month. The most surprising thing is that this entire content is being created with artificial intelligence, AI. In today's video, I will show you the secret method of creating a complete professional history documentary video from scratch without any hard work. Yes, friends, you can create it using just a single prompt. Without wasting your time, I will go directly to the process. But before that, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss this type of unique tutorial. For this project, first open either ChatGPT or Gemini, then head over to the Google Docs file. There I have written a master prompt for this video. Remember, not even a single line of the prompt should be left out because AI cannot provide a good output without the correct information. Copy the entire text and paste it into the ChatGPT box. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will give you a list of the top 10 most exciting history topics. For example, the mystery of Egyptian mummies, the lost cities of the Indus Valley Civilization, or the fall of the Roman Empire. Choose any topic you like from the list here. I will select option number 6 as an example, paste it, and press enter. Now, ChatGPT will ask us how long the video should be. I will type 15 minutes here. That's it. Within a few seconds, GPT will provide us with a complete direction script for the entire video. This will include a series of voiceover scripts. Now it's time to create the video prompts. For that, go to the Google Docs file and completely copy the second prompt without leaving out any part. Then come back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and copy the entire script. Paste it at the very end and simply press enter. GPT will now create the scenes or prompts for each part of the video. These prompts will help us create the video. Copy the first prompt and head over to Google Flow. From the Google Flow settings, change the mode from image mode to video mode. Paste the animation prompt for the first scene from ChatGPT along with the voiceover guide and click Generate. Within a few seconds, a static image will turn into a living cinematic clip. In the same way, use separate animation prompts for each prompt and create all the video clips, then download them into a folder. The final step is editing. We will go to CapCut software. There, we will arrange all the video clips on the timeline according to the sequence. If there are any AI glitches or extra parts in the video, trim and remove them. Then add a serious and mysterious background music that matches the documentary and reduce its volume slightly so that the voiceover can be heard clearly. If everything looks good, export the video. Your high-quality history documentary video is now completely ready for upload. To get this master prompt for free, I will provide it in the description of this video.